welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Marty from Best RV in Torla, California. As you've seen in the previous videos about the 42 Veranda, and everybody told me, I love the Veranda, but it's too big. I wish it makes small. Well, guess what? Forest River listened to the customers, and now they make the Veranda in a smaller version. So what's behind me is the brand new 2025 Forest River Wildwood Veranda 22 Veranda. And now they call it 22 Veranda because the model of it is, but it has the same concept and same amenities as the 42 Veranda. The main concept is you have a big patio in the rear, and not just a patio, it's electric patio. So that means this portion, it go inside here when you're traveling. You could keep it out or you could keep it in, but that gives you more outdoor on a nice balcony, nice patio where you could sit, enjoy the barbecue, cooking, eating, and the outdoor living. Now, the Veranda, very well known. You come over here, I still have the patio, which is an electric motor, and half go outside, half go inside. It still have the beautiful outdoor big grill, as you see here. You know, the 2-burner range, 2-burner big grill. You could cook. It still have the nice, beautiful stainless steel sink with the big faucet. And still I have the big fridge and a freezer, which is right here. As well, more storage. So you could see a place for a trash can, a nice stainless steel sink with hot water connections, a fridge with the freezer, outdoor barbecue grill, gray stone. I could put a couple lounge chairs here. I still have the mist on my outside. So in extreme hot weather, you say, look, I'm in Nevada, it's too hot, or I'm in really extreme hot weather. No problem. You still have the mist coming from the ceiling. You have the outside GPL outside speakers, beautiful LED lights, very bright. And also you could turn them off or turn them on. You have a nice screen door, so if you don't want the bugs to go inside, so it's loaded. So this is called the 22 Veranda. It's the one with the big full outdoor barbecue system, as you see here, everything. And also everything, no issue for rain, sun, is very solid metal, power coated. And also you have, as you see here, 110 plug. So if I have a margarita mixers, I'm making some drinks, foods, everything's there. I don't need to go inside and go back and forth. Everything's right there. So it's a complete outdoor kitchen. When you walk inside this Veranda, as you see, they give you the really nice L-shaped lounge. As you see, you could seat 1, 2, 3, 4 people. The beauty about it, you could sit and you have the nice smart TV in front of you with the beautiful entertainment and very contemporary. I love what they did from these metal shelving here. LCD, and by the way, it's on a swing bracket, so I could move it. So if I push this down, I could bring it to the front. I could swing it if I'm in the kitchen, or if I want to swing it more a little bit to the back, or if I want to just push it harder and lock it. Nice fireplace with cabinet on the side. I love this black glasses, the LED touch, and as you see, nice lounge, so I could, you know, lay down here, sit, relax, watch a TV, watch a game. Some people could sit here and enjoying the lounge, watching the game, and people inside, outside, you name it. As usual, we know what they give me here, these storage bins where I could store all my stuff underneath the units. So as you see, there's a lot of storage bins. They come with the unit. Now, so this is from the lounge, from the seating, from the entertainment centers, from the nice contemporary look. I love this curve with the LED on both sides. It gives it a really nice high-end touch. Across from it, we have a beautiful U-shaped kitchen. Solid service, not a Formica. And then you have a place here with a bunch of tinsel doors. And more place. I love what they did here for this trash can. So if you clean something, you could throw it here quick. Easy to get in. One-piece sink. You know, the pop-up socket, USB 110. A lot of storage right here. And then it has the beautiful solid metal kitchen hood. And voila, you open it. You have full microwave underneath it with the hood, light, fan. And as usual, we have here nice 3-burner range and an oven. And this counter, I could use it as a counter. I could use it as a dinette area. It comes with a 3-chair, so I could sit, eat, watch a game. Because people sit there, people sit outside, and enjoy the outdoor. Plus, if this is in your way, this counter, I could push it and get more space. So this counter for traveling mode, you could see I could make it shorter. I just want to give you an idea how the counter got shorter. And then these, they hide more on the back. But if I'm in park and settle, and I could seat more people around it with no problem. Isn't it a beautiful kitchen? Look at it, guys. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 windows around you. And now the lady's gonna say, Niall, as we told you, what we need in the kitchen, big pantry. Well, guess what? It has a huge big pantry. You could open it. Look how deep it is. You have solid, this thick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big doors. You could put all kind of cereal, all kind of can of foods, whatever you want to put, you can. And it has safety latch. Then over here, as usual, Wildwood 10.7 cubic 12-volt refrigerator. Also, it has the separation. So in the side, you don't want nobody to see my bedroom and nobody want to see my bathroom. Well, if I shut down the door, look all the privacy in my kitchen and my living room. From the kitchen and the living room, we're going to go to the bathroom. And you see in the bathroom, they give you this curve look. Even in the mirrors is very curved with LED light. Nice sink with a prepping area, more cabinet, more storage. And then you have the nice big shower with a skylight and solid. So there's no water come down. And from there, you have another privacy door, another pocket door to the bedroom. And if you come down this way, you will see that's beautiful king size bed, a lot of storage here, there. And then again, this is the versatile bed. What does it mean versatile bed? That's mean this bed I could recline it. And if I want to bring it down, all I need to do, push this switch down. And now my bed is down and I'm ready to go to bed. And look how big it is. Beautiful king size bed. This is 2 AC units. So there's this AC for the bedroom as well AC in the living room. Already come with a big huge LCD screen in the living room, but there's another hookup on this side. You could put a second TV. There's a second entry door from the bedroom. So if you are an early person, you wake up in the morning and you don't want to disturb somebody in the living or in the kitchen, you could go from there. Look how beautiful it is. And the nice thing about 22 Veranda at Best RV, it is smooth fiberglass side walls, so it's not the corrugated the metal siding, so it give you even better seal and better installations. Come to Best RV and just come and look at the 22 Veranda and see how beautiful it is. And again, we give you the best and the lowest price, and no any hidden fees and no bogus fees. Come to Best RV and look at the beautiful 22 Veranda from Forest River.